I created my very first successful online course in 2017. If I was building a brand new course from scratch today, here's exactly how I'd do it. The very first thing I'd do is get clarity on my topic. I'd choose a specific result that either I had achieved or that I had helped clients achieve. And I'd choose one that was exciting and that I knew other people wanted. When you choose something that people actually want versus just something that might be nice to have, it is so much easier to market and sell your course. And it has to be something that people are struggling to achieve on their own. So it has to be something where they would be willing to invest in order to get it. The second thing I do was figure out exactly who I was talking to and what made my approach unique. So, for example, when you look around in your industry, is everyone teaching a specific way and you have a new, different strategy and way of achieving that? Or is everyone teaching in a really complex way and you know how to simplify it? So it's just identifying that little thing, that little twist that makes your course unique. And it's really important to know who you're talking to so that your marketing can be a lot more specific. And as you do this, you'll probably see that there are other people teaching what you want to teach. Don't worry, this is a good thing. This shows that people are willing to actually invest in this result, and your approach is going to be different. Your course is going to be unique, so don't worry about it. The next thing I do is start building my audience around this course topic. So I'd start sharing free advice and tips on the specific subject. So if you're already building your audience, fantastic. Then just start to share more content on this topic. If you are just starting from scratch, then you are going to need to pick a platform and start to create. Now, obviously, there's lots of different platforms that you could choose. You could do this on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. I'm a huge fan of YouTube, and I think it is a fantastic platform for online business owners to actually build a community and build a channel for sales as well. The next thing I do is create a super simple, fast freebie so that I could start to build my email list. I did a more detailed video explaining exactly what this means, what the strategy is, so I will link to that in the description below. But the idea is that you create something super simple and quick, and you put that out so that we can start building your email list, which is really, really important when we get to the course sales part. Next, I'd clarify exactly what was going to be inside my online course. So I'd think of all the steps that my ideal client would need to take in order to get from where they are right now to the result that I'm helping them achieve. And what's really important here is I would be trying to make this pathway for them as quick and easy as possible. That's why people are investing in courses, because you are taking all the different pathways that they could take, all the different ways that they could achieve a result, and you are narrowing it in and giving them a specific roadmap on how to achieve that. So by doing this, I would end up with a clear outline of exactly what was going to be inside my course. Next, I'd start planning a pre-sale campaign. So I'd be focusing on the marketing first to confirm that, yes, this is a course that people want. This is something that they would be willing to invest in before I spend all of my time filming my lessons. So this is basically the most efficient way to bring your online course to life, and it ensures that you don't spend all this time creating a course that isn't quite what your people are looking for. Next, I'd pre-sell my course at a discount for early adopters. So I'd let them know that new course content was going to be released every single week for a certain amount of weeks. So depending on how many modules you have. And I'd let them know that they are getting this extra special discount during the pre-sale period. So then once the course officially starts, I would be spending my time as a creator each week recording my lessons. And then every Monday, I would email out those lessons to my students. Then as my students are going through my course, I would be gathering feedback and incorporating any feedback that they give me into the course so that I could make it even stronger. So now the next time I go to sell my course, I have all of my course content complete. I have my idea validated, and I can just focus on growing my audience and building up to an even bigger launch the next time, and then automating my sales process as well. So that is exactly how I would bring my new online course to life and what I recommend you do as well. I hope that you found this video helpful. Let me know any questions that have come up in the comments down below. If you liked it, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you real soon with another video. Bye.